Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain sequence and series concept. Okay, now today we discuss about harmonic mean. Okay. So now I explain single harmonic mean. Let H be the harmonic mean between two given numbers A and B. Okay. Therefore, A, H, B are in harmonic progression. The reciprocal of harmonic progression is AB. 1 by A, 1 by H, 1 by B are in arithmetic progression. So if three terms are in arithmetic progression, then common difference is equal. T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to D. Okay. So it will be 1 by H minus 1 by A equal to 1 by B minus 1 by H. This minus 1 by H brings left side. So it will going to be 2 by H. 1 by H plus 1 by H, 2 by H is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by B. This minus 1 by A bring the right side. It will going to be 1 by A plus 1 by B. So 2 by H equal to 1 by A plus 1 by B. So let us do LCM AB. So it will going to be A plus B or B plus A. Therefore, H is equal to 2AB by A plus B. H is equal to 2AB by A plus B is harmonic mean between two numbers A and B. Okay, 2AB by A plus B. So 2AB by A plus B is harmonic mean between two numbers A and B. If A, H, B are in harmonic progression, the reciprocal of harmonic progression is, so 1 by HP is equal to AB. So 1 by A, 1 by H, 1 by B are in arithmetic progression. So in arithmetic progression, common difference equal. So H we have got 2AB by A plus B. So 2AB by A plus B is called harmonic mean between two numbers A and B. Okay. Okay, H is equal to 2AB by A plus B. Harmonic mean between two numbers A and B is 2AB by A plus B. This is nothing but 2 by A plus B by AB. Okay, 2AB by A plus B is nothing but 2 by A plus B by AB is nothing but 2 by A by AB is 1 by B and B by AB is 1 by A. This is nothing but 2 by 1 by A plus 1 by B. Okay. So harmonic mean between two numbers A and B is 2 by 1 by A plus 1 by B. Okay, now explain second point. Harmonic mean between three numbers harmonic mean between, okay, 1 minute. Harmonic mean of three numbers A, B, C is 3 by 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Okay, Next, harmonic mean of four numbers A, B, C, D is 4 by 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C plus 1 by D. Harmonic mean of two numbers 2 by 1 by A plus 1 by B. Harmonic mean of three numbers A, B, C is 3 by 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Harmonic mean of four numbers A, B, C, D is 4 by 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C plus 1 by D. Okay, and so on. Harmonic mean of x1, x2, x3, and so on, xn is n by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus 1 by x3, and so on, 1 by xn. This is harmonic mean of n terms. Okay. Now I am going to explain inserting just 1 minute. Inserting n harmonic means between two given numbers A and B. Okay. So let us take H1, H2, H3, and so on, Hn or n harmonic means between two numbers A and B. Between two given numbers A and B. Okay. Therefore, A, H1, H2, H3, and so on, Hn, comma B are in harmonic progression. The reciprocal of harmonic progression is arithmetic progression. So 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, 1 by H3, and so on, 1 by Hn, comma 1 by B are in arithmetic progression. Okay. Now we have to find H1, H2, H3, and so on, Hn values. Therefore, 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, 1 by H3, and so on, 1 by Hn, comma 1 by B are in arithmetic progression. So it will going to be, so H1, 1 by H1 is equal, 1 by H1 is equal 1 by A plus common difference D. 1 by H2 is equal 1 by A plus 2D. 1 by H3 is equal 1 by A plus 3D. And so on, 1 by Hn equal to 1 by A plus ND. Okay. Where 1 by B is n plus 2th term. Where 1 by B is n plus 2th term in AB. Okay, it will going to be 1 by B is equal to, so what is the formula? 1 by A. What is the first term? 1 by A. 1 by A plus n plus 2 minus 1 into D. So 1 by B plus 1 by A bring left side, minus 1 by A is equal to n plus 1 into D. So it will going to be A minus B by AB into n plus 1 is equal to D, where D formula A minus B by n plus 1 into AB, the common difference in AB. Okay. Now our target is sum of harmonic means 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2 plus 1 by H3 and so on 1 by Hn. It will going to be, so 1 by H1 value 1 by A plus 1 by A plus 1 by A up to n times. This is n by A. And D take out common 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on n. So sum of natural numbers, it will be n by A into D times of sum of natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. So n by A plus D times of, this is formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So it will going to be n by A plus D value. We have got D value A minus B by AB into n plus 1. A minus B by AB into n plus 1 into n plus 1 by 2. So it will going to be 1 n plus 1 get cancelled. So this is nothing but n by A plus n by n into A minus B by AB into AB. In this 1 n by A take out common n by A. So 1 plus A minus B by 2B. So it will going to be n by A into, so let us do LCM 2A 2B. So 2B plus A minus B. It will going to be n by A into A plus B by 2B. Okay. So n by 2 times of A plus B by AB. This is nothing but n by 2 times of, this is nothing but A by AB is 1 by B. B by AB is 1 by A. So what is the answer? N by 2 times of 1 by A plus 1 by B. This is the sum of n harmonic means. The sum of n harmonic means equal to n by 2 times of 1 by A plus 1 by B. This is the final result. Okay. Okay. What is D? We have got D is equal to A minus B into A minus B by AB into n plus 1. This is a D. Is common difference of AB. Is common difference of AB. Okay. So now we have to find H1 value. H1 is equal to 1 by A plus 1 into D. So 1 by H1 this is 1 by H1 is equal to 1 by H1 is equal to 1 by A plus 1 into D. 1 by A plus, so 1 into D. D value we have got A minus B by AB into n plus 1. So let us do LCM. AB into n plus 1. So it will going to be B into n plus 1 plus A minus B. Okay, this is 1 by H1. 1 by H1 is equal to A minus B plus B into n plus 1. Okay, this is 1 into A minus B. So 1 into A minus B plus B into n plus 1 by AB into n plus 1. This is 1 by H1. H1 is equal to the reciprocal of this value AB into n plus 1 by b into n plus 1 plus 1 into a minus b. This is h1. Similarly, we have to find h2. h2 is equal to ab into n plus 1 by b into n plus 1 plus 2 times of a minus b. So 2 times of a minus b. Now similarly, we have to find h3. h3 value ab into n plus 1 by b into n plus 1 plus 3 times of a minus b. Okay, like remaining. This is one harmonic mean. H1 is equal to ab into n plus 1 by b into n plus 1 plus 1 time of a minus b. Very, very important formula this is. So H2 is same combination ab into n plus 1 by b into n plus 1 plus 2 times of a minus b. This is H3. Okay, now I am going to explain very, very important formula. First one is the sum of first n natural numbers. N into n plus 1 by 2. This is nothing but sigma n. Okay, sigma 1 value. Sigma 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to n times. This is nothing but n. Okay, next second formula. The sum of first, the sum of squares of first n natural numbers. The sum of squares of first n natural numbers sigma n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay. Next, the sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. This is equal to sigma n cube. N into n plus 1 by 2 whole cube, whole square. N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. The sum of first n even integers. Okay. So this is n into n plus 1. The sum of first n odd integers is equal to n square. Most important formula. Thank you for watching. Remaining concepts I will explain on coming class.